And now we have the making of the McGangbang. Here, hold this camera, honey.
Wait, hold on. Get my coffee ready. Okay. So, what is this one for?
That's the McDouble. And you put the McChicken right in the middle of it.
We use another bread, right?
No. You put the whole thing in there.
The whole bread?
The whole thing.
In between the hamburgers?
Yes.
Oh, it's coming apart. Okay. There's your McBang-Bang. Now wrap it up.
Okay, now you have to hold the camera right and take a shot of me eating the McGangbang.
Alright, back up because I can't see you good.
Let me take my glasses off. I look like a retard with my glasses on. You ready?
Yeah.
Delicious!
That's it, buddy, or you're going to bed.